Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I make the stew peas. Guess what? With chicken. Yes, stew peas with chicken. Oh my goodness, look at it. It is so ready to be devoured. But so today it's gonna be a very special video. Look at this succulent jerk pork. Look at it. Step right up to the front and come and check it out. So today it's a collaborative video and I'm doing it with my sis Jody's Cooking. Go and check out her channel. You need to check it out, right? So check out her jerk pork over on her channel. So here I have my peas that has been soaking overnight. It's some red peas. What do they call it? Red eye peas, red peas. It's some red peas and I wash it and it has been soaking overnight. Normally I put some garlic in it, but I forgot. You know how it is sometimes. So let's season the chicken. So here I have 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon Lawry's seasoning salt, 1 tablespoon garlic granules, 1 tablespoon onion granules, and 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning. You can use some all-purpose seasoning instead of the jerk seasoning, or you can just use the chicken seasoning alone. Use whatever you have. Work with what you have, right? So here I'm going in with the dry rub. I added 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. That's all the goodness blended up together. So go ahead and just combine everything, rub it up, moisturize it on your chicken. So I'm showing you that I cut the chicken leg in 2. So that is the top part of the leg and the bottom part. I cut the leg in 2, right? And the thighs I cut in 3 pieces. So yeah, just rub the rub all over it. And then we're going to set it aside. I normally marinate my meat overnight or at least 4 hours, something. So here are the rest of my ingredients. Yes, here's everything. So I have some flour because you know you need some spinners in your stew peas, the chicken, the peas, all the good stuff. Of course, you can't leave out your coconut milk. I mean, just all the good stuff, right? So I'm going to put my peas to pressure. And I don't want it to necessarily be fully cooked, but mostly cooked. Right? If you understand what I'm saying, because remember, we are still going to be cooking along the way. So I added some thyme and I rinse off some pimento seeds and I'm adding that as well. And I'm going to cover it. And once the pressure cooker start making noise, I will set it for 30 minutes. So once you hear that sound, Vibes fam, that's when I start my timer. So here I'm showing you my peas. It is cooked. Some of it even breaking up, but that is fine. It's not like it's going to be completely mashed out, right? So yeah, here I'm adding some oil to my pot, and now I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I'm caramelizing the sugar just to brown the chicken. You don't have to do this way. You don't have to do it this way. You can just add some browning if you want, but the flavor that it gives the chicken, Vibes fam, yes. So once the sugar has been caramelized and you put the chicken in, you're going to wait until it gets brown like this. And then you flip them over. Look at beautiful. Looks so good. They look so pretty, right? Oh my goodness. This is what I just love it. I just love it. So yeah, just turn them over and get the next side to brown as well. Right? As I said, it adds a beautiful flavor to the chicken as well. So you can try this. Even if you add a little brown into your pot, still try to caramelize the sugar and try it that way if you haven't done it that way before. But yeah, trust me, Vibes fam, the flavor pop all the way out. So I'm just pushing the chicken aside because what I did, the pieces that don't have bones in it, I add those last, right? Because these, trust me, they cook so fast. When chicken don't have bone in it, it cooks in no time. So I added those last. And then, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and stir up everything. I don't necessarily need to flip them over one by one. So now I'm going to combine everything, stir them up, rub them up, stir them up in the pot. And then I'm going to cover this for 5 minutes. Just gorgeous vibes, fam. So yeah, I'm going to stir it up and allow it to sit in it juice to see what kind of juice come forth. I'm going to cover it. I don't know where that clip went. I'm going to cover it for 5 minutes. Okay, vibes, fam. So while that is doing what it's doing in the 5 minutes, here I have some flour. I'm just making the dough for the spinners. I added some salt and I'm going in with some water. I will link the video down below of how I make my spinners. That is a more detailed video. So yeah, go ahead and pour some water. And I know it might look weird to you who makes dough, who make flour with spoon. But yeah, this is the way I was taught, just to start it out, and then I put the spoon down and go in with my hands. So yeah, vibes, I'm going with my hands and then just knead it up more. And then yeah, once everything is gathered together in completion, then I'm done. So this is it, vibes. After the 5 minutes, that is some natural juice. I didn't add anything. So I'm going in with some thyme, onion, sweet pepper, scallion, or you call it green onion, and yeah, garlic too. Don't leave out the garlic. And we're gonna go ahead and combine everything. Now, vibes, the reason why I do it this way, you see, sauteing your veggies, trust me, vibes, it does something to it. Sauteing these seasoning, it really brings out the flavor in the food, right? So I really love to saute these. So yeah, I'm going to leave this for 5 minutes as well. So yeah, vibes, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. I added a pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, cover him. So this is it after 5 minutes, looking so beautiful and lush. So go ahead and stir it up. Yes, stir it up, and your kitchen should be smelling like, ooh, glory. Yes, yes. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the peas. Yes, so you can pour out everything in it if you want, but guess what? I don't want to add too much of the water to it. So I'm just using the spoon to scoop out the peas. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour in the amount of peas water that I want in it, right? Because trust me, you controlling the amount of liquid that you have in your pot, then it's better for you, because then things won't be watered down. You don't have this long water, and then maybe you need to make a flour slur to thicken the stew peas. I don't want to do that. So yeah, I'm going to cover this for 15 minutes. Ooh, vibes, fam, that looks so good, right? So I gave it some time so the peas and the chicken can combine, and the color of the peas can go out some more, right? Can just really bring out some more. So here I added my coconut milk. Oh, look at the cream, vibes, fam. The kitchen is smelling like it's smelling. So go ahead and mix it up, combine everything, and then we're gonna add some niceness. So the rest of the sweet pepper that was left, the garlic, the scallion or green onion, the onion, and the thyme, I added all of those. So I used half of everything, right, in the first part. Remember when I allowed everything to saute with the chicken by itself? Yes. So to allow the flavors to step out. So now we're gonna cover this for 10 minutes. Do you see that the color is coming together? The more it boils, the more the color is coming out. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So yeah, Vibes fam, now we're gonna go in. I tasted it, so at this point now you know you can taste as you go along, Vibes fam. You need to know what is going on with your pot. It needed some more salt. I added it. Oh, look at it. It is thickening and coming together. So now we're going to go in with the spinners. I was breaking them off, like taking little pieces off the dough. Yeah, before. So here you just put it in your hand and rub it together. As I said, I will link the video down below of how I make my spinners. So yes, put some of the dough in between your hands, rub it together like that, and drop him. Oh my goodness, look at the pot, looking so good. I'm so excited. By the way, I love me some spinners in my stew peas. I'm so excited for this pot. So here it is now. So normally I take my time because you know when the spoon touch these uncooked flour, they can just get so deformed sometimes. So what I like to do is take some of the juice, that hot nice stew peas juice, and just pour on them. Yes, and it kind of allow it to just harden a little bit, and then it's easier for me to stir it, right? So that is what I normally do. But yes, look good. Oh my goodness, tell me, Vibes some. Tell me you don't want some of this right now, but hold on, it's not done. So I'm just putting some black pepper on it, just a little bit of black pepper, you know, and then yes, I'm going to cover this dough and leave it for 8 minutes. Even 10 is fine. Vibes fam, look at Lush. Oh my, listen, look at this. No, everybody run come here. You have to look at this. Tell me this dough looks so good. Oh my goodness. Hey, I feel a spirit. Yes, Lord. Hey, come Lord Jesus. Ooh, and look at the stew. Ooh, I'm telling you, Vibes fam, so good. And this is my dish. Here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it. I just dish out some, share out some, just to show you a little something. Yes, now planting. You see, stew peas I'm planting to me is everything. I have to. I need some planting with my stew peas when I'm eating stew peas. The rest can stay, but I need some planting. So what I did, I added some more stew. You know, stew peas can just get cold up real fast. I added some more stew. Yes, just to show you. And the tomato, just to show you. No, hold on. Don't go anywhere too fast. You need to see the finished product of what Jody did with the pork. Oh my goodness. Look at this succulent jerk pork. No, everybody run, come and look here. And that is her homemade sauce. You need to try it. Listen to me. Everybody gather it and run over to Jody Cooking. What did I say? Jody Cooking. You have to run over there and check out this jerk pork. You don't need to buy it. You need to run over there to learn how to cook it. But look at it, Vibes. So I'm looking so good, so luscious, so succulent. But thank you so much for watching us, and go ahead and thumbs up the video. Go over to Jody, thumbs up her video, and thumbs up over here as well. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much. God bless you.